I'm going to show you how to make easy campfire starters that won't fall apart. First, you'll need a cardboard egg carton, a bunch of old dryer lint, some blocks of wax. I got these at a craft store for about 25 bucks in a bulk pack that'll last about 10 years. And 2 pots. Now let's get started. First, tear off the lid of the egg carton. We won't need that. Step 2. Fill up the carton with the dryer lint. Don't be afraid to really pack it full. The more lint, the better this thing will light up. Now make a double boiler with the pots, with the boiling water on the bottom and the wax up top. Wax residue can be a pain to clean off, so maybe use a pot you won't cook with. I got this one from a thrift store. Put the egg carton on something to protect your counter from wax spills. I'm using an old cookie sheet I also got from a thrift store, but you can use something like an old cardboard box. Now pour the melted wax over the lint. This will be hot, so make sure you protect your hands. Try to cover all the lint with the wax so there's no fuzz to make a mess later. Once the wax has cooled and set, just break apart the individual cups for your fire starters. So how long do these things burn for? Well, here's one out in the open on a pretty windy day. You can see it puts out a decently big flame. And of course I put the phone too close and the screen is getting singed. There we go. We've basically made a cardboard and lint candle, so this will go for a while. Inside a fire, it will also have the firewood adding heat and flame, so the time will be a little bit less, but here it burns by itself for at least 15 minutes. 1 is usually enough to start a campfire, but if the wood is wet, sometimes I'll use 2. Stick these in a Ziploc bag for storage and you are ready to go.